So just a quick update. I've drawn these Fibonacci levels, as you can see over here, just to kind of make it easier for you guys to visually see what is happening on the markets. Um, as you are aware, we had in a previous video we mentioned we had strong resistance occurring on top. We do have support, however, that support is not as strong as the resistance. So we're always going to be looking at which is stronger, and in this case, the resistance is stronger. We've got a confirmation there. We broke past that level that we mentioned, which was, I believe, it was around about the 23.6 on the fib. So it was actually higher than this, but it was around about here, where we had that confirmation that the seller is underway. So we're expecting that range movement. Um, we don't know for certain if price is going to break this level, at least not yet. But we do know that what's probably next to be tested is this level over here, right? The 50. Um, Maybe even lower than that, which is over here. So these target levels, it's actually based on key Fibonacci levels, right? And the support and the resistance is typically based on the highs that got tested regularly, and the support that got tested. So sorry, the resistance that got tested regularly, and the support that got tested regularly. Like that is how I've constructed my support and resistance, because to me psychologically, it would make a lot more sense looking at the key levels only, and focusing on and using those as your key support and resistance levels, whereas we can be a lot more flexible with our target levels, looking at, since Fibonacci's are used for retracements, for reversals, it makes sense to be using Fibonacci levels as our take profit levels, which we only really interested on the key levels, and we know right here this is the main key level. So can we expect movement to occur up until this point? It's quite possible, but we can already see that the sell is confirmed. So we have, what do we have as confirmation? So I typically look at 3 confirmations before I'll enter a trade. So this right now counts as 1. The fact that this is pink counts as 2. This as well counts as 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3 confirmations indicating that we should be selling a Bitcoin right now. So I hope that makes a lot more sense. This was just a quick update. I'm not going to be making a follow-up video on this. This was just to showcase, the indicators, and just how useful they are in alerting us early to potential market movements. So I hope that was educational, and it helps you to interpret the indicators a little bit better. As I've explained in the previous video, I will leave the links in the description if you're interested in perhaps downloading the indicators and trying it out for yourselves.